Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys, thank you for subscribing, liking and sharing my videos. I can see that the YouTube is growing daily. The number of subscribers are increasing. Thank you very much guys. It's because of your efforts. So today I've decided to upload a new video showing you how to make money using a browser, but you can check it in the video description below. There's a link. Click on that link and then you will be able to download the browser. So this browser is like Chrome, it's like Opera Mini. You don't have to spend any cents. You're going to get paid by using your internet. Just like, let me make an example. You're just going to visit any website you like, maybe just like this one, google.com. Just by browsing guys, doing whatever you want to do. Gmail, you can go straight to Gmail. It's up to you, as long as you are using an internet guys. In this way you are eligible to earn money, and then the more time goes on, I'll create a new video showing you how to withdraw money from this browser. It's easy guys. So after clicking the link below, you will simply create a new account, but I've already created an account here. There's no need to create a new account. You just go straight to your profile and then create a new account. After that, you'll see this screen. Continue using the browser guys, and then don't forget to subscribe, like and share, so that you'll get notified when I upload a new video showing you how to withdraw. The next video will be talking about the withdrawal proof, showing you how to withdraw from PayPal to any country. Thank you very much guys. Thank you.